Pelješac Bridge, China helped Croatia build Dream Realization Bridge. In this video, let us learn more about it. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai Macao Bridge is the pinnacle of China's bridges and embodies China's achievements in bridge design, construction, and engineering equipment over the past decades. Now it has become the object of study on bridge engineering at home and abroad. The Pelješac Bridge, built by China in Croatia, is also a cross-sea highway bridge. Not only is the construction process similar to that of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai Macao Bridge, but the engineers involved in the construction of the bridge are also from the Hong Kong-Zhuhai Macao Bridge team. What is the story behind the construction of the Pelješac Bridge? The Pelješac Bridge in Croatia is a 2,440-meter long and 22-meter wide highway cable-stayed bridge that spans the Little Stone Bay on the Adriatic Sea and connects Croatia across the sea. Before the bridge was built, due to historical reasons, the northern mainland of Croatia was not connected to the Pelješac Peninsula in the south, and was blocked by neighboring Bosnia and Herzegovina, that is, the small town of Nem in Bosnia and Herzegovina. At the same time, because Bosnia and Herzegovina is not a member of the European Union, both residents and tourists had to pass through Bosnia and Herzegovina first and complete 2 border inspections before they could travel between the two places. The procedure is quite cumbersome. Until July 2022, when the Pelješac Bridge was officially opened to traffic, Croatia realized its long-cherished wish to connect the north and south. Local residents and tourists no longer need to enter and exit the border of neighboring Bosnia and Herzegovina multiple times. They can drive or take a car directly through the Pelješac Bridge, completing the journey that originally took 3 hours in 2 to 3 minutes. Now, it has been more than a year since the bridge was opened to traffic. Over the past year, the bridge has greatly shortened the travel time to southern Croatia. The number of tourists traveling to the bridge, Ston, Dubrovnik, and Korčula has doubled, bringing huge benefits to the local area. Promote the development of local tourism, transportation, logistics, and other industries. As a model project of the Belt and Road between China, Croatia, and Europe, the bridge has had a huge effect on benefiting local people and promoting people-to-people connectivity. The bridge project is the first time a Chinese company has won a bid for an EU fund project, and it is also the largest single project in Croatia undertaken by a Chinese company funded by EU funds. Croatians generally believe that the Pelješac Bridge, built by a Chinese company, is of great significance and is an example of win-win cooperation between Croatia and China. According to Xi Jinping, Chinese ambassador to Croatia, more than 2.3 million cars have safely passed the bridge in the year since it was opened to traffic. It saves the customs time that originally had to be detoured through the Neum corridor in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and the original cumbersome entry and exit procedures have become direct highway access, which has greatly promoted local economic development and improved people's lives. Through the construction of the bridge, the good image and reputation of the Chinese people and Chinese enterprises have been deeply rooted in the hearts of the people in Croatia, winning widespread praise from all walks of life in Croatia. It is affectionately called the most dazzling pearl in the crown of China-Croatia relations by Croatian officials. The Pelješac Bridge and Connector project in Croatia is a landmark project for cooperation between China and Central and Eastern European countries. It is also a landmark project for Chinese companies to enter the EU infrastructure market for the first time in 10 years. After intensive cultivation in Central and Eastern Europe. It is of great significance. It is worth mentioning that according to reports, in the Pelješac Bridge project, important positions including designers, testers, ship dispatchers, etc. were selected directly from the team building the Qingzhou Channel Bridge of the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macao Bridge. The construction technology of the Pelješac Bridge is also similar to the construction method of the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macao Bridge, such as steel pipe pile driving, assembly technology, etc. Although the length of the Pelješac Bridge is difficult to compare with the 55-kilometer-long Hong Kong Zhuhai Macao Bridge, the project is equally difficult. The Chinese team combined China's mature bridge design and construction experience and deployed the world's largest piling ship, Xiongqing No. 1, at the time. The world's longest steel pipe pile with a length of 130.6 meters was driven into the pile at one time. It avoided the quality problems and safety risks of offshore steel pipe pile welding, shortened the piling time, and set a world record for the longest steel pipe pile construction at that time. On the other hand, the Chinese team also made every effort to avoid possible environmental damage during the construction process. For example, bubble curtain noise reduction measures are adopted to reduce the impact of piling noise on marine life and surrounding residents. Drilling slag is transported to a discharge point 20 nautical miles away to reduce pollution to coastal water quality. The Chinese team also adopted methods of factory prefabrication, ship transportation, and on-site assembly. Purification devices were installed in the living area and regular cleaning was carried out to reduce the damage to the land environment caused by on-site processing and living areas. The Pelješac Bridge project adopts EU standards. All construction work must comply with EU specifications and the entire process is supervised by European supervision. During the construction of the bridge, the project conducted in-depth research on EU standards and specifications, gave full play to China's technological advantages, and promoted Sino-European technological integration through a large number of innovations. During the construction process, 70,000 tons of steel pipe piles and steel box girders were all purchased from China and transported 8,400 nautical miles. Made in China, they meet the highest European EXC4 standards. The engineering team carefully configured the concrete mix ratio to achieve the construction of C85 high-strength self-compacting concrete cable towers that is rare at home and abroad. It also innovatively applies various technologies such as steel pipe pile scour cone, double casing technology, overhead clear water drilling rig drilling, etc., demonstrating the technical strength of Chinese enterprises. The project strictly complies with EU bridge construction regulations, and all steel structures used meet the highest European standards. The bridge project employs more than 250 local employees and has cultivated many engineering, technical and management talents for Croatia. At the same time, 18 design consulting companies from the EU, 45 construction companies and 112 global equipment and material suppliers from Croatia, Germany, Poland and other countries have participated, truly achieving cooperation, mutual benefit and win-win results. According to reports, the Pelješac Bridge project has received many domestic and international awards so far, including the Gustav Leinschel Award of the 40th International Bridge Congress. The Gustav Linsauer Prize is known as the Nobel Prize in the international bridge community. The Pelješac Bridge project is the first time a bridge engineering project constructed by a Chinese company overseas has won a top international award. After the bridge was opened to traffic, the Croatian side praised the Chinese workers' superb skills and the excellent quality of the bridge, and thanked China for its important contribution to the construction of the Pelješac Bridge. The Pelješac Bridge carries China-Croatia friendship. It not only significantly shortens the travel time between the north and south of Croatia, greatly facilitates the flow of people and goods, promotes Croatia's economic and social development and improves people's livelihood, but also further shortens the distance between the people of China and Croatia, becoming a new bridge to promote friendship between the two countries. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.